Well, I think it was the eve of New Year's Eve, and it was about 40 degrees outside. So I decided to go back there and go ahead and get one of those wood stoves installed that I'd worked on the day before burning off. So I ended up installing the little bracket that the stove pipe needs to go through. Then I got out what I'm using as the vapor or the vinyl that's covering the floor. That is billboard sign vinyl that I found from a guy on Facebook. It comes in 14 feet by 48 feet long. That stuff is nice. It's thick. It's perfect for lining the floor with. The next thing I had to do, which was really the biggest part of this, was getting this heavy cast iron stove around the side of the dome and into the dome. But I am smarter than a fifth grader, so I turned that baby on its side, laid it on top of some of this insulation shiny stuff because it was smooth and slippery, and I just drug it around the side. Now the hardest part was getting up over onto the stand, but same thing, where there's a will there's a way, and it took me a minute, but a little strength, and I got it up there. But when I tell you I was tired and out of breath, yes I was. But we weren't done yet. So now once I got it up there, I still have to get it over into the spot, which is the temporary basically setup for it to allow me to be able to come out here and work and have some heat out here. So I just have my vinyl down on the floor. Number one is my vapor barrier. I have a piece of sheetrock, not drywall, but cement board right there that the stove is going to go over. And then I'm just going to push that stove over on its side, take a couple of breaths, and then again, just wiggle and pull it till I get it over into the space that I want it in. But let me tell y'all, where there is a will, there is a way. And I could have waited a couple of more hours or just go ahead and get this done because my husband was going to be home in probably about 2 hours, but it is winter. So it was going to be getting dark quick also. I think it was already like 2 or 3 o'clock when I started to, go back here and work on this. But no worries. I got it into place. Again, all you have to do is work smart and not hard. A little slide here or there, and it'll get you where you want. So it's in its spot. I just have to tilt up and get that foam stuff, or not foil, not foam. Get that foil from up under there, and pretty much there it is with a little wiggling. Get it straight. Now I have 2 pieces of pipe. I actually needed 3. So this is where I was going to get stuck at. So I can put those pieces in because they pre-assembled. But that third piece I needed some help on because I couldn't hold and put it up in the hole. I gave it a little bit of a zhuzh, and then I just had to wait a couple of minutes because my husband ended up walking in and helping me get the last part of it installed. Then we decided to try to light it. We had a fire going outside, but then we changed our mind, decided to go on up to the house, and we'll come back and take care of lighting it another day. But it's just in the spot so I can do some work. And here's a final view of it so far. Don't forget to like, subscribe, hit the notification bell.